Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will go over the stretch command. Stretch increases or decreases the length of any line, excluding circles and arcs. To start the command, we must type S in the command bar. It is important to know that the way the stretch command works is by selecting the end of the line we want to stretch, not selecting the entire object. After this we need to select a base point and then use the mouse to stretch the shape to the desired direction. Because of this, we want to use the green selection, from right to left. If we were to try and stretch a line that was entirely selected, we will only move it, not stretch it. Take this example. We selected it by clicking on it, thus selecting the entire line. So all we did was move it to the right. But when we use the green selection to select one end, we get the desired effect. We can see it too while trying to stretch this shape. If we want to make it longer to the left side, and we use the blue selection, we end up only moving the lines, separating them from the original shape. But look what happens once we use the green selection. We can stretch any part of the drawing, make it taller or longer. Our limitation is stretching the arc to the right. This we cannot do with this command. This was everything about the stretch command. Keep watching the course to learn about more tools and commands in LusoCAD.